Picking the best solar generator can be tricky because everyone has different power needs. But if you choose the right one, you'll get the best balance of portability and performance. Whether you're camping or need a backup power source for your home, solar generators are a game changer. Today we're ranking the top 5 solar generators of 2025, breaking down their strengths, weaknesses, and which one might be the best fit for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Jackery Explorer 1000. Planning your next outdoor adventure? Or just need a reliable backup power source at home? Jackery Explorer 1000 is a true game changer in portable power. With a $499 price tag, it's one of the most competitive options in its class. Plus, you can easily get it from Jackery's official website or major online retailers. And here's the best part. It's solar-ready. That means you can pair it with solar saga panels and harness the power of the sun. No more worrying about dead batteries when you're off the grid. Just let the sun do its magic and you're good to go. This compact yet powerful station can charge your essential devices, whether it's your laptop, phone, camera, or even small appliances like a mini fridge or coffee maker. With multiple output options, including AC, DC, and USB ports, it ensures you stay connected and powered up wherever you are. Whether you're camping in the wild, road tripping in your RV, working on a DIY project in your garage, or preparing for a power outage at home, Jackery Explorer 1000 has got you covered. Powerful, reliable, ready to go wherever you do. Number 4. Goal Zero. Yeti 500 Portable. Power up every moment of your life. Let me introduce you to the Goal Zero. Yeti 500X Portable Power Station, your ultimate power source for everyday life and adventures. This portable power station is 20% smaller and lighter, yet 20% more powerful. Yes, you heard that right. With its 505 watt-hour lithium battery, you can charge anything from your smartphone to portable fridges. Yeti 500X handles it all with ease. What sets it apart isn't just its size, it offers 4 different port options, so you can power up pretty much any device. With the AC port, 12-volt output, and especially the 60-watt USB-C power delivery port, you can charge laptops, tablets, and mirrorless cameras in a flash. Yeti 500X is truly a charging beast. And here's the fun part. Thanks to its integrated MPPT charge controller, it works perfectly with solar panels. That means you can keep your power topped off using the sun's energy. Weighing only 5.85 kilograms, this power station is perfect for camping trips, road trips, backyard parties, or even emergencies. It's small in size, big on power. If you want to add energy to every moment, the Yeti 500X is the one for you. Never run out of power again. Number 3. BLUETTI AC 300. Solar generator, the next-gen solar generator that will power up your life. BLUETTI AC 300. Ready to take your energy needs to the next level? Meet the BLUETTI AC 300 solar generator. With its modular design and powerful performance, this isn't just any regular generator, it's your new power hub. Equipped with a 3000-watt pure sine wave inverter, it's strong enough to power everything from your TV to your office equipment. Whether you're at home or outdoors, it ensures everything runs smoothly. With a 2400-watt solar input, it can charge quickly just using the sun's natural energy. And with a total input speed of 5400 watts, you can store energy in no time. In short, the AC300 saves you time from every angle. But that's not all. Its modular design lets you boost your capacity all the way up to 12,288 watt-hours. This means with the BLUETTI AC300, you can store all the energy you need and have a reliable power source, whether at home or on the go. Whether you're camping, hiking in nature, or setting up a secure backup system at home, it's always there for you. And that's just the beginning. If you're into tech and energy, take a step to explore the power of the BLUETTI AC300 and experience the future of renewable energy today. Number 2. EcoFlow Delta 2 Max Solar Generator. So what exactly do you look for in a power station? Is it just about providing enough energy? Or do you want a device that's powerful, reliable, and makes your life easier wherever you go? If your answer is yes to all of the above, then the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max might just be what you're looking for. Imagine this: super fast charging, expandable capacity, and top-notch safety, all in one device. The EcoFlow Delta 2 Max isn't just powerful, it's practical and durable too. It's equipped with an LFP, LiFePO4 battery for long-lasting durability, and it's already getting high ratings on Amazon. But the real question is, does the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max deserve a spot in our best power banks guide? Is it truly as powerful, fast, and reliable as it sounds? Let's dive in and see if this powerhouse lives up to the hype. Number 1. Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus. You definitely don't want to be left in the dark during a power outage, right? That's where the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus comes in, your ultimate solution for reliable power in any situation. Whether you're out camping or dealing with a power outage at home, this portable power station has got you covered. It's not just powerful, it's also super easy to move around thanks to its wheels. So whether you're on the go or stuck at home without power, you can take it anywhere and keep things running. Thanks to its LFP battery, it keeps delivering top performance even after long-term use. So not only is it strong, it's built to last. Whether you're facing an emergency at home or off the grid, the Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Plus has everything you need. If you're looking for more than just a power source, the Jackery 2000 Plus is the perfect choice. It's reliable, portable, and built for the long haul. Definitely a solid pick.